Rise to a new level of inspiration with the Siemens inductionAir system that combines two outstanding appliances, an intuitive cooktop with flex induction and an integrated ventilation. Realize your kitchen just as you want it. The inductionAir system offers you a compact design and an exceptionally space-saving solution. Your drawers can still be built into the lower cabinet so you can store all your cookware, regardless of whether you decide for an inductionAir system with exhaust or with recirculation mode. Enjoy a maximum of flexibility thanks to the cooktop with flex induction. Your cooktop is perfectly ready for every type of cookware. With a dual light slider, you can intuitively operate your cooktop and combine the cooking zones just as you wish. These outstanding features are just one highly impressive part of the cooktop. The greatest innovation is the integrated ventilation that drafts down the steam before it even arises. The efficient IQ drive motor inside delivers a strong and quiet performance. And with the climate control sensor, the ventilation automatically switches on and adjusts the right amount of power to the upcoming steam. Combine two accomplished appliances and discover a whole new perspective on cooking. The new Siemens inductionAir system upgrades the cooking, downdrafts the steam.
Siemens, the future moving in.